Here is your profit briefing. I'm Eleazar Bhatti for the Profit here in Lahore. Dutch giant Royal Vopak is ready to invest nearly $3 billion in Pakistan. But more on this later. First, some business and economic stories that you should know. The Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf government has posted a record budget deficit of 3.45 trillion rupees. Owing to the government's failure to enhance revenues and control expenditures during its first year in power, the public finances further deteriorated, with the budget deficit rising to a record 3.45 trillion or 8.9% of the size of the nation's economy. The official figures released by the Ministry of Finance on Tuesday confirmed that the PTI government smashed its budget deficit target by 82%, as the budget deficit target for financial year 2019 was just at 1.9 trillion rupees. Moreover, the deficit in PTI's first year in power was worse than the last years of both Pakistan People's Party and Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz governments, whereas debt servicing and defense expenditures consumed 3.23 trillion rupees or 80% of the total government's revenues. A consortium of 3 exploration and production companies has discovered oil and natural gas reserves in the Kohat district in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. According to the preliminary tests, the well would produce 12.7 million standard cubic feet per day gas and 240 barrel per day condensated oil. A press release issued by the Oil and Gas Development Company Limited (OGDCL) said. The consortium consists of OGDCL, Mari Petroleum Company Limited and Saif Energy Limited. The Tog Well 1 was drilled at 3,200 meters deep and was tested using OGDCL's in-house expertise in consultation with Mari Petroleum and Saif Energy. After a bloody start to the week, the Pakistan Stock Exchange managed to barely close the day in the green on Tuesday. According to market analysts, weak macroeconomic situation and ongoing tensions between India and Pakistan have been denting investor confidence at the Pakistan Stock Exchange. Trading activity started on a negative note, with the KSE 100 index recording an intraday low of 29,952.73 points after losing 567.87 points. The index then managed to recover some losses in the afternoon session, reaching an intraday high of 30,641.84 points, up by just 121.24 points. It finally settled higher by 64.25 points at 30,584.85 points. The KMI 30 index appreciated by 238.54 points to close at 48,169.58 points, whereas the KSE All Share Index fell short by just 4.34 points and ended the day at 22,527.67 points. On the economic front, the Privatization Commission Board gave a go-ahead for the hiring of financial advisors in the privatization process of 2 blue-chip oil and gas exploration companies, 3 power generation companies, 2 financial institutions, and 2 engineering companies. Now back to our main story. Royal Vopak, a leading Dutch chemical, oil and gas company, has met with Abdul Razak Daud to discuss various investment opportunities in Pakistan and has promised to invest nearly $3 billion into the Pakistani economy. The delegation head appraised the advisor that Royal Vopak would invest $1.5 billion in a land-based LNG terminal facility. As per the details, the terminal would provide cost-effective facilities to the LNG consumers in the country, as modern technology would be introduced there. This facility would also create new employment opportunities beside bringing technological advancements in the engineering sector of Pakistan. Moreover, Royal Vopak would invest $150 million in the construction of the polypropylene plant, as well as $800 million in the Coastal Refinery in order to improve the country's storage facility. This was your profit briefing. Thank you for joining us on the show today. For all the latest business, economic and financial news, visit www.profit.com.pk. This is Eleazar Bhatti for The Profit here in Lahore.